Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR air hammer. Alright, so there the guy is. Nice heavy duty feel to it. That is definitely an all metal casing. On the bottom we've got a spot for our air fitting, and we have our air volume adjustment. We got our trigger, and we've got our tool holder. We got our V head, we've got a chisel head, we have a point head, and we got our separator. We got our spring to hold on our different heads, and they gave us a couple of different size adapters depending on what kind of an air supply we have. And at the bottom we also got our instructions, and that does give us a diagram of how this whole thing will come apart. Start out by screwing on our spring. Then we can take our head, drop it in the hole, and we just kind of push the spring out of the way, and now we'll lock it in place. So that's going to prevent the tool from falling apart. You can take some plumber's tape, throw it on this guy, and spin that guy in. It's usually a good idea to put in some 10-weight oil, just to make sure the tool is lubricated, but other than that, that is going to be ready to go. It's going to be loud. Sure, that's a little monster. So if you ever need to do some quick disassembly, or if you're just mad at something, that is going to be an excellent tool for that.